In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the wallet app not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, wallet app is currently open, close it along with any other running apps. Then swipe down from the right corner to check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. A quick fix is to toggle on airplane mode and switch it off, which disconnects and reconnects your phone to the network. Once you are reconnected, try opening the wallet app again or double tap the side button to see if Apple Pay works. If you're still having the issue, check if there is an issue with Apple services by going to the web browser and typing Apple system status. If the wallet service shows as unavailable, the issue is on Apple's end and you'll need to wait for it to resolve. If everything looks good, go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, then iPhone Storage and locate the wallet app. Ensure there are no issues here. You can also try deleting the app, but make sure to remove your cards from Apple Pay first. After deleting, reinstall the app. If the problem persists, try restarting your iPhone by swiping down from the top right and holding the power button or pressing the volume up and the side button until the slide to power off screen appears. Turn off your phone, restart it, and the wallet app should be working properly. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.